Friendship is a great relationship that gives us joy and support in our life. As a human, it's impossible to avoid disagreements with friends in daily life activities. Sometimes these disagreements can escalate and turn into a breakdown, leaving us feeling hurt and alone. If you want to mend a broken friendship, it can be a difficult and emotional process, but it is possible with the right approach. Here we will discuss some tips for repairing a damaged friendship. These steps can help you work towards reconciliation. Be patient. Mending a broken friendship takes time, so it's important to be patient. Don't expect things to be fixed overnight. Allow your friend the proper time they need to manage their emotions and understand the situation. Then reach out to your friend and see if they're ready to talk, and try to have a productive conversation about what went wrong. Communicate honestly and openly. One of the most important steps you must do to mend a broken friendship is to be open and honest with each other. Communicate and discuss honestly and openly with your friend about the issue and what went wrong. This can encourage your friend to listen and respond in a more positive way. Apologize if necessary, take responsibility for your actions and express regret for any hurt you may have caused. If you have contributed to the breakdown of the friendship, it's important to apologize sincerely. Avoid justifying your behavior. A sincere apology can go a long way toward healing a rift. Listen more. The most important action to do when mending a broken friendship is to listen more than you talk. You need to let your friend talk about his feelings and avoid interrupting. Try to understand your friend's perspective and acknowledge his feelings. Only then you can hope to rebuild the trust that was lost. Avoid playing the blame game. It's important to avoid playing the blame game and instead focus on rebuilding the friendship. This can be done by communicating openly with each other, being honest about your feelings, and making an effort to rebuild trust. Seek professional help if needed. If you and your friend have tried to mend your friendship but no positive result, it may be time to seek some professional help. You can also talk to a trusted common friend or family member about your issue. They may be able to offer some helpful advice. Make an effort to spend time together again. If you want to mend a broken friendship, one of the best things you can do is make an effort to spend some time together again. This means finding ways to connect through shared interests and activities. With time and effort, it may be possible to rebuild the friendship and create something even stronger than before. Forgive and forget. You should have a passion to forgive and forget to reconcile and strengthen the friendship. Once you've forgiven them, you can now easily work on rebuilding the friendship. Find common ground. Finding common ground is a good factor for rebuilding a friendship. Look for shared interests that you can use as a basis for reconciliation. You may also explore new activities or hobbies together. Set boundaries if there are some issues that caused the friendship to break down. It's now more important to address them and set boundaries to ensure they don't happen again. This may involve having difficult conversations or making changes to your behavior. Final words: mending a broken friendship is a bit difficult process. It requires honesty, open communication, and a willingness to take responsibility for your actions. It takes time, effort, and patience to repair the damage that has been done. By following these tips and with time and effort, you can easily reconcile damaged friendships and can create a stronger bond.